Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the video using the Pictory AI. How to do that, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Introducing the Pictory AI. Well, basically, this Pictory AI will give you the chance to create the video from the script or from the picture and also many more tools, guys. And if you would like to accessing it, then you can access it from the Google Chrome. And here I'm using my laptop, and you can also put the keyword Pictory AI, and this is the first suggestion, and after that it will direct you into this home page if you don't do the sign up or login first. There are a lot of features and also tools that they offer to you guys, and also mostly, this Pictory AI will give you the video more professional because it's not only for the content creating but also for the marketing agencies, business, even for the educations, digital marketer, and also the social media. And if you would like to continue, then you can simply log in, but they will usually also give you the question, what is it for? Is it for the personal user or the business or for the educational purposes? You can pick one of that. And after that, this is the look after you do the sign up. And as you can see that this Pictory AI will give you the chance 14 days trials for free. And if you would like to upgrade it, then you can click upgrade and do the payment and also choose the package that they will offer you guys. As you can see, there are several options like this. And for example, I would like to create the video, so they will give you several tools like the text from text to video, URL to video, AI video editor, image to video, PowerPoint file to become the video, and also the record. And for example, if you would like to click this, it will give you the chance to create the video from the text. Here, this is the page that you can start off about the idea of the video that you would like to make. For example, guys, in this different, I have prepared for you that I would like to create the video about the simplest way to understand about the KOL. And you can also choose the video type here. And you can also choose the platform. It's like which platform that you would like to present this video. For example, I will choose YouTube, and I will also choose the duration to become 1 minute, for example. And you can continue to generate script, and after that the script will be shown over here. And don't worry if you saw or if you think that this script is way too long, then you can click shorten, and it will take you time to let this AI to shorten the text or the script. And this is the result. And if you would like to replace, then you can click replace, or if you would like to add this as the additional thing, then you can click this, but I prefer to replace it. And as you can see, even though we have the 14 days free trial, they will keep giving you the credits over here. Well, it is already used before, guys, to try on this AI. And after that, you can start to choose the ratio. For example, I will choose this ratio. And after that, you can click the generate video and kindly wait for the result, guys. And finally, our video is almost done. And it will bring you into this section. Well, it will usually show you the scene 1 until the scene 18. And if you would like to add the visual, you can click this. But as you can see, there are the mark of the crown. So it will be, so you need to do is buy the premium package of this AI. And also you can put the audio over here. And also the text if you want to, like the heading, subheading, and also the at the body text. And also you can add the elements, style, and also the branding. And this is the look after the generation. And let's see the result. And you can start to preview the video, for example. And if you would like to download this video, then you can click it. And if you would like to create it with watermark, then you can click it, download with watermark, because it's free. But if you don't want the watermark in this video, so you can click this, but you need to buy the or purchase their premium or pro package. And this is the process of the downloading, and kindly wait for the process. And also make sure that your connection is in a good condition, guys. And finally, our video is almost ready. And you can start to download here. And this is the file that you will receive on your device. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and also don't forget to try this Pictory AI if you would like to present your material to your clients, or also for the educational purposes, and many more. And also don't forget to give this video a like, and also subscribe this channel. And I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.